I'm Joe Pilastri, Chief Technology Officer at Scintilla, and I'd like to give you an overview of what's new with Scintilla version 4. Scintilla version 4 includes a number of new features that allow you to run IT like a modern factory. It lets you be proactive and streamline your operations by knowing the impact of projects before you actually implement them. There's a lot of new features in version 4, but I'd like to address a couple of them right now that I'm really excited about. Let's take a look. Scintilla version 4 is the first release of Scintilla to include planning and predictive analytics to better understand how the data center and IT environment will evolve with changes that are being proposed. It'll allow you to look at the financial, the performance, the efficiency and capacity of various changes to the data center. The most important part here is that you can now evaluate changes before you implement them in order to determine if these are the right changes and projects for your data center environment. What Scintilla allows you to do is evaluate these projects with data that's real data, it's historical data. So gone are the days of spending weeks or months in spreadsheets, and now you can actually use real accurate information to evaluate the impact of data center projects. Scintilla version 4 introduces new tools for financial planning so that you can evaluate the financial impact of projects that you're considering in the data center before you implement them. Maybe you're looking at implementing virtualization or private cloud or even adoption of public cloud. To illustrate this, let's look at actually moving an Exchange application environment to one of these new architectures. So Scintilla automatically profiles the resources and infrastructure that's required to run the Exchange application. And from that, Scintilla can then show you in that dedicated environment what resources are required to run it and what costs those are incurring, such as depreciation, hardware maintenance, software licensing, management software overhead, power and cooling, and the personnel needed to run that application. Scintilla then automatically calculates the costs incurred for a virtual environment or a private cloud environment, including what licenses are now needed from, say, VMware, in order to implement that virtualized environment or private cloud infrastructure. In addition to this, you can benchmark your implementation internal to your data center against public cloud environments like Amazon or Rackspace and see how that cost structure compares to what it would cost you to run this internally and evaluate if public cloud is a feasible option for your organization. What financial planning provides you is a comprehensive financial analysis to make better decisions about which projects to implement in the data center. Infrastructure planning in Scintilla version 4 allows you to evaluate proposed changes to the infrastructure and their impact on the data center capacity before you actually implement those changes. You might have questions like, how much power capacity is needed to deploy new servers that have been requested? Or when will I run out of capacity based on historical trends and services that have been deployed in the past? What's the impact of hardware refresh, and how do I select the most efficient or effective equipment for the applications that I'm running? Infrastructure planning will allow you to model and predict the impact of these various changes with real historical data specific to your operation, which will allow you to determine the best course of action. Enterprises tend to manage multiple data center sites, and so with Scintilla version 4, you can quickly and easily switch between data centers that you're managing in order to see information, metrics, and analytics about each of the sites in your portfolio. You can even benchmark them against each other to see how they're performing. Scintilla is scalable to the largest of enterprises, supporting thousands of assets with just a single instance of the Scintilla software. That's just a few of the new features in Scintilla version 4. If you want to know more, you can contact us for a demo. We also have a great blog, Twitter, and Facebook, and you can follow us there.